Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to install MySQL 8 version on Ubuntu 20.04 version. I have connected to my Ubuntu server. Let's verify the version. Command is lsb underscore release -a. See, I have installed Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version. First we have to add apt repository. See, go to this website, that is repo.mysql.com. These are the MySQL repository for Ubuntu. Scroll down for the latest. Here latest is 05 November 2020. See, this is the latest repository. Right click and select the copy link address. Then use the command wget -c and paste that link and press enter. See, it has successfully then installed MySQL package by using sudo dp kg -i, then provide the package name. Here package name is MySQL apt config 0.8.16-1 all.deb and paste that package and press enter. Now this will automatically installs MySQL 8 version. Use the down arrows and select OK and then tab to go to OK and press enter. We have successfully installed package. Now run the sudo apt update. It has successfully downloaded. Clear screen. Now install MySQL server. Sudo apt get install MySQL -server. Type y and enter to continue. Enter the password for root user. Again re-enter password for root user and press enter. Tab and press enter. Select the default authentication, tab to OK and press enter. We have successfully installed MySQL server. Now we are going to configure MySQL on Ubuntu 20.04. Notice here it has installed MySQL 8.0.22 on Ubuntu 20.04 version. Let's verify. Notice here it has installed MySQL version number 8.0.2. Clear screen. Let's verify MySQL server is started or not by using systemctl status and MySQL. See, MySQL is running and it started 7 minutes ago. Press Q to quit and clear screen. Now we are going to perform MySQL post installation steps. By default, MySQL installation is unsecure. Now we have to secure by using the script. Now we have to run security script, that is sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. Press enter. Provide the password. Here we have to provide root user password which we have given at the time of installation and press enter. Press no. Here it is asking us to change password for root. At present I don't want. Then press N. You want to remove anonymous users, then type Y. Otherwise type no. Disallow root login remotely. I want to allow root login remotely. It is asking us to remove test database or not. I don't want to remove. It is asking us to reload privilege tables now. Yes. All are done. Now connect to MySQL server by using MySQL -u. -u means username. Here username is root and -p. Then provide password for root user. We have successfully connected to MySQL server. Then get the list of the databases by using command show databases. Suppose if you want to create a database, use the command create database and database name. we have successfully a database. Let's verify database is created or not by using command show databases. See, database has been created successfully. Okay guys, we have seen how to install MySQL server on Ubuntu, and then we have performed MySQL post installation steps. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.